I gotta tell you, one of the most difficult things to do with creating videos is to watch the camera. But instead, a lot of times what I do is I look at the monitor, the screen, or something like that. So if you see me glancing like that once in a while, it's because I'm looking at my computer monitor, which I know I shouldn't be doing that, but it's just one of those things. So, and then the other thing that I have is I have a post nasal drip that just doesn't go away. So you hear me doing that quite often. I try to edit it out. Sometimes it's kind of dumb, sometimes not. So please excuse me if you hear that a lot. It's not much I can do about it. Part of my life. I have to live with it. So where we left off was I was showing you the Fusion 360, where I was having a little trouble circular interpolating a hole in the middle of the cam. Well, I got past that. It was some dumb settings. What I was trying to do is tell Fusion 360 that the depth of the hole was the top of the material. That doesn't work. So once I figured that out, I fixed it. Everything worked fine. So now we're going to go through the machining of the fixture and seeing how that adaptive clearing works and certain things like that. So enjoy the video.
No, it's only money. I travel around without a care. Don't take my problems anywhere. Listen, honey, that's just life, ain't it funny? Oh, be happy with who you are. You got your health, and it's gotten this far. And wherever you may go, I'll be there to tell you so. We're all in it together, don't you know?
I don't understand these changes, man.
That was awesome, Ross. I like everything you did.